Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable bundle discounts in Vinted in 2025. If you want to enable bundle discounts, which will make people, most likely will make people buy more from you, because it will, for example, discount if they order several items at once in one box, then I think that's pretty useful and just encourages people to buy more from you. To do it, go to Profile, then go to Bundle Discounts. Now you can enable it and you can select discounts for 2, 3 and 5 items. The percentage is the amount of the discount. I'll select none for 2 items, but for 3 items I'll select 15%, and for 5 items I'll leave it on 15% as well. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.